Welcome to the Best Cars, where we explore the most iconic names in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into BMW, a brand that has set the standard for luxury, performance, and innovation. From its humble beginnings to becoming a global leader, BMW has redefined what it means to drive. Let's begin this journey into the heart of the ultimate driving machine. BMW's story began in 1916 in Munich, Germany. Initially focused on producing aircraft engines, the company quickly gained a reputation for precision engineering. After World War I, BMW shifted its focus to automobiles and motorcycles, launching its first car, the BMW 315, in 1929. From the very start, BMW emphasized quality and innovation, traits that remain at the core of its identity. BMW's engineering philosophy revolves around precision, balance, and performance. One of its defining traits is the perfect 50-50 weight distribution found in most BMW models, offering unrivaled handling and stability. Another standout feature is BMW's twin-power turbo technology, which combines efficiency and power seamlessly. More recently, BMW's innovation has extended to the electric realm with the BMW i Series, featuring groundbreaking advancements in battery technology and sustainable manufacturing. A BMW is as much a work of art as it is a machine. The kidney grille has become a global symbol of luxury and performance, evolving over the decades while maintaining its signature style. Inside, every detail is meticulously crafted. From premium leather upholstery to intuitive digital displays, BMW interiors are designed to envelop the driver in comfort and technology. Features like the iDrive system, gesture controls, and ambient lighting make every journey a luxurious experience. BMW's connection to motorsport is a testament to its dedication to performance. Since the 1930s, BMW has been a dominant force in racing, winning accolades in touring car championships and endurance races. The M Performance line, including legends like the M3 and M5, brings this racing heritage to everyday drivers. The high-performance engines, precision tuning, and aerodynamic designs deliver a track-like experience on the road. Whether you're on the highway or the racetrack, BMW's motorsport DNA is unmistakable. BMW is not just about performance, it's also about responsibility. The brand has made sustainability a cornerstone of its future, with a pledge to produce fully carbon-neutral vehicles by 2050. Models like the BMW iX and i4 showcase this commitment, featuring electric powertrains that deliver performance without compromise. BMW also leads in using sustainable materials, from recycled plastics to vegan leather options. The future of driving is electric, and BMW is paving the way. What sets BMW apart from the competition is its unwavering focus on the driver. From their motto, sheer driving pleasure, to the way each car feels connected to the road, BMW creates an emotional bond between car and driver. BMW also offers exclusive experiences, like performance driving schools, that teach enthusiasts how to get the most out of their vehicles. Owning a BMW isn't just about the car. It's about joining a community that shares a passion for driving. From its rich history to its forward-thinking innovations, BMW is more than just a car manufacturer. It's a brand that defines the joy of driving. Whether you're drawn to their engineering, design, or motorsport legacy, BMW truly lives up to its name as the ultimate driving machine. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to The Best Cars for more in-depth automotive content. See you in the next video.